Hey everyone, this is Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. This one is a new type of video for me. I've never done one of these before, but I've been inspired by Tay of ShawntePlans and Shanice of Planners and Tacos because I love watching their version of this video, so I thought I'd make my own. And the type of video that I'm talking about is the monthly kit lineup video where I will go through the kits that I have planned for a specific month. It's kind of like a mini haul of things that I already have. So I first thought I'd show you kind of how I organize my kits. I have this mini binder that is like chock full of kits. It is I don't know what like size this is, but it's just like the mini size, like junior binder, I believe is what it's called. This is just from Avery. You can get this at, Target, Walmart, anything, Staples. And so I just have it labeled as kit lanner right now. I used to say planner, but the P like peeled off, and then this K is also starting to go also, but no worries. And then this is just like a random journaling card from Planning World. But anyway, in here I have these protective plastic sleeves. Each of them is labeled with a week of the year, so it's actually labeled 1 through 53 because sometimes they're actually no, it's 52, and then I just have this extra one in case like the weeks of the year don't necessarily line up with 52, because sometimes they do, like depending on what day of the week the year starts. But anyway, so I have all my weeks of the year in here, and then when I plan to use a kit for a specific week, I'll put it in this binder so that I kind of know, my planned kits for the year, but also I'll know not to like overbuy. But anyway, okay, so this is my December kit lineup video, so I'm just going to take out the kits as we go, and I'll show them to you. So this is week 48. That is the week that December starts this year. So my first kit is Warmest Wishes by the Pretty Pinko. This is super, super pretty, and I chose to foil this in silver foil. I just thought it would be a fun foil to use. So this is super, super pretty clip art, and I love how there's the pink element in addition to the traditional Christmas colors. So that's the first page. This is the second page. This is the Pretty Pinko's newest format. So you do get these like awesome mini boxes, and then as well as these frame boxes that go so well with my planning style right now. You also get these 2 full sets of headers. You get these additional frame boxes, which is really nice. I love how they're just like a solid color. So it's super easy to pull these into a spread. And this is the bottom washi. It is super, super gorgeous. So this is Warmest Wishes by the Pretty Pinko. And then I picked up the Deco Sheets. She does have 2 versions of Deco Sheets. So this is the 1.0. This is just floral deco. And then this 2.0 version has the deco, but also like other types of clip art, like very obviously Christmas themed, and then some of these like floral frame boxes too, which is really fun. And I just love the variety on these 2 types of deco sheets. So that is going to be my first week of December. For December, I do like to just use all like Christmas holiday themed kits because I just have so many, and I just love planning for this time of year. So, okay. So this next kit is a kit that I received in a Sadie Stickers like grab bag deal maybe 2 years ago. In that like sale, I bought like 10 kits, and 8 of them were Christmas kits. So I have a lot of Sadie Stickers Christmas kits to use up, and this is quite an old format. So this is the full box page. It's the Believe kit. I was also able to receive these headers that go along with the kit. And so this is a super, super old Sadie Stickers format. So I think this will be like a little difficult for me to use just because since it is an older format, it doesn't have some of those like smaller boxes, frame boxes, mini boxes that I like to use nowadays. And also this bottom washi is quite busy, honestly. but I know I can definitely make it work. I have a lot of stickers in my collection that I can pull in from. And also the thing is that there's no deco that goes along with this. It is a photo kit, which like typically it's you know, difficult for photo kits to have deco because there's no like clip art that you know, like completely matches with the kit, but we'll see how that goes. Maybe I can pull in some of the deco from that pretty pink Deco sheet. But yeah, this is the second week of December for me. And then for the third week of December, I have this kit Noel from Harriet Designs. This one is super, super, super pretty. I feel like her kits are super elegant. This one is gold foiled, but it's also got this like gold cast over all of the full boxes. And again, this is a photo kit, so I don't have any deco to match with this, unfortunately. So yeah, you can see here from the second page, and you also get a 10th full box, which is really awesome, though it's not foiled, but everything has this like golden cast to all of it, so it's a super neutral kit. I thought this was really an elegant option for Christmas time. So that is Noel by Harriet Designs for the third week of December. And then for my Christmas week, I have Christmas by Sadie Stickers. This is a B6 kit, so it's only these 2 pages. And again, this is an older format in Sadie Stickers kits because I did get this a long time ago. But in a B6 kit, or in this version of the B6 kit, you have the full boxes. You only get 8, and they are like shorter than the normal height. And then you just get 1 full set of headers. This is like the bottom washi, which is going to be difficult for me to play with, I guess, because it's not going to like completely go along the bottom of my 7x9 vertical planner, but we'll see. This will be really fun. I'm so excited for this kit because, again, I've had it for so long, but I love the colors. They're so traditional for Christmas. I also was able to get the like headers and date cover sheet that goes along with this kit, so at least I have that. I think the date covers obviously match so well and pull in that photo pattern, and yeah, so I'm glad I have that sheet. To supplement this kit, I also picked up these 2 deco sheets from Paper Muse Crafts, and I do feel like the colors of this deco matches really well with this kit. So I'm super glad that Candace came out with this specific like colorway of floral deco, and I'm really excited to put this all together. So okay, so that is my 4th Christmas kit. I think this is the order that I went in. And then where's the last one from the Pretty Pinko? Okay. So yeah, this is my December kit lineup. And I'm super, super excited to plan for December. So yeah, if you like this video, please press the like button and leave a comment down below. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.